Alright, so right in here on the stingers, about right there, oil filter, canister style, 706 Farmall, 1964, G golly Pete, here we go. I'm gonna put the genuine universal metric wrench on here, see if she'll get her loosed. By golly, she does, but guess what, it isn't. It's not the same as the plug down below, so I'm pretty sure it's probably about 1.5 inches of wrench that you would need. I don't have that. Biggest one I got is 1.25 inches. So we'll get out the pliers and loosen up this canister style bolt and see if it'll come off of there. She don't feel very loosey, but she's coming. She's not loosey. I don't think I have 1.5 inch socket neither, so I just make do with what I have. See if I can come at it a little different here. Get a little more angle with the dangle. I went ahead and plugged up the crankcase. Put that plug back on there and give it the proper amount of torque, you know. It's like about 2.5 ooga-doogas, I think is what it takes. Pretty close to that. Well, I wonder how many threads we have for this thing. It's already up 1.5 inches for G golly Pete's sake. There she goes. Holy McGillicuddy's, Batman. Alright. See if she comes out of there now. With all these hoses. She did. She come on alright. Tip her down in here. Get a little bit of that off into there. What did I do with my rag? I had a rag right here. There she is. Managing to drip all over the place here. Beautiful. This is what that looks like once you get her pulled out. Just like that right there, and then filter, she looks just like that right there. And there she comes. And then you got the inner guts of the filter canister, and that's all there is to it. Simple, easy, nothing weird about it. So I'll leave that. I think I'll leave that canister over on the side over here. I got a area right here that worked good for that. And then I'm back, and then we're good to go. So go ahead and get rid of that. Gotta go over to my pickup and grab the oil filter that I have for this, and the oil to replace the oil with, and we should be good to go. Hold on.